Good answer. It's qualitative. Excellent. Okay? So what I'm magically going to do to put food on my table and the other chemistry's table is I am going to turn a penny into gold. That's right. I said gold. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do is look at everything we need to do this lab, to convert this penny to gold. Okay? So we have our normal hot plate here. Okay? We have distilled water. We have our 100 ml beaker that we'll put our solution in. Okay? We have a 25 ml graduated cylinder that contains 20 mils. Now you can talk to your teacher and ask, but I like to use the smallest graduated cylinder that the liquid can go in. So that way I'm as close to the mark as I need as possible. Okay? This is a pipette to help me get the level I need. And remember, what part of the liquid level do we read? Well, you'll look at the top part and you'll see a little bubble. So what is that little bottom of that little bubble called? You are correct. That is a meniscus. So I use the pipette to help get me the exact level. Here's our solution. Okay, it's 1 molar zinc chloride. Now, your teacher can talk to you more about this, molar, but basically it's how concentrated it is. Okay, how concentrated it is. All right, and your teacher can talk to you more about that. Here we have my favorite word for a piece of equipment, scupula. Scupula. Okay, and then we have granulated zinc. And in order to be safe, I have crucible tongs, I have my goggles, and you should be good to go. Your goggles should be put on as soon as you start the lab. The thing you have to remember with goggles and safety is chemicals and liquids know no distance. So it doesn't matter where you're at, you need to wear your goggles at all time. Now you may notice I have the deluxe version of goggles. Yes, they are bedazzled, and students make fun of them at the beginning, but then they want them. They can't have them. We used to have a crafting club here, and they bedazzled my goggles. So that's why they look so nice. Okay, and then we got some granulated zinc, and then we got our scale here that's zeroed out. Okay, so remember, all you would do is take a weigh boat, put it on there, and now it says that the mass is 2.58, and then you just hit 0, takes it to 0, and in this case, you would add 1 gram. So, all right, well, that's everything we got. Safety is key. Remember, we're going to turn a penny into gold, okay? So, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my 20 mils of zinc chloride and I'm going to pour it in my 100 ml beaker. I'm then going to take my 1 gram of zinc and I'm going to pour it in the zinc chloride solution. And I want to get as much out as I can. Okay? So, now the next thing that we're going to do, okay, is I'm going to turn the hot plate on medium. Okay? So I'm going to turn the hot plate on medium. And then what you do is you take your zinc chloride solution and your granulated zinc and you put it on the hot plate and you wait for it to boil.